This is the DuoCare 904 laser, a medical device intended for pain management. This light therapy treatment is non-invasive and painless. The DuoCare emits 904 nanometer near-infrared light and can be customized at 4 different depth settings. This makes it the most versatile handheld in the SYMBYX range, and it's suitable for managing pain across various spots on the body, at home, or in clinic. Depending on the depth of pain, there are different settings to choose from. Your device will come with a detailed protocol and instruction manual. To start, make sure to put on the safety glasses that come with the device. Then insert the key and turn it clockwise to switch the device on. The standby light will turn orange. Leaving the key in, press the black power button. The green light on the black button and the display on the DuoCare 904 will both light up, and there will be 2 beeps to show the device is now on. The protocol will indicate which depth setting to use. To select the depth setting from low, superficial, intermediate, or deep, press the corresponding button. To start the treatment, press the white round Start button with the on-off sign. The DuoCare 904 will now start emitting therapeutic infrared light, which is invisible to the naked eye. The DuoCare 904 will beep at treatment intervals to help you keep track of your treatment time. To turn the device off, press the power button. Turn the key anti-clockwise and remove the key from the lock. You can now take off your safety glasses and return the device to the protective case for safe storage until your next treatment session.
Looking after your SYMBYX device is simple, and each device is high quality and made to last if cared for properly. Here's everything you need to know. After each use, wipe the device down with a soft, dry cloth and place it back inside the case. Store your device somewhere dry and cool, like a bedside drawer. Avoid storing it in rooms with high humidity, such as your bathroom. That's all it takes to keep your light therapy device in good shape. No complicated steps or special products. As part of the SYMBYX community, you receive access to ongoing clinical support along with your device. The SYMBYX clinical support team are a network of healthcare professionals who know SYMBYX light therapy inside and out. Not only do they answer your questions, but can provide personalized recommendations to help optimize your light therapy experience.
The DuoCare 904 is easy to use and designed to help you manage pain on your own terms. Be sure to read the protocol sheet, instruction manual, and safety and contraindications page on our website. Always follow the directions of use. If you have any questions, ask our customer care team. To learn more or order your SYMBYX DuoCare 904, visit SYMBYXbiome.com. To speak to a member of our SYMBYX team, inquire via info@SYMBYXbiome.com.